Hi, have you ever been to a dentist? If yes, then you might have seen them using something like this. It is popularly known as the Dremel tool, used for polishing, drilling and grinding the tooth by the doctors. However, while drilling a tooth inside the mouth, they use a L-shaped drill which looks something like this. You might be surprised to know Dremel is actually a brand, and their rotary device became so famous that everyone calls it to be a Dremel tool. They are small, powerful and cost a lot. This rotary tool now is an essential need, not just by the dentist but also by the people who are into do-it-yourself work or the crafts. I do have a professional drill machine that I inherited from my father. It's a Rally Wolf heavy-duty drill, too powerful and heavy. The problem is, it's really too big when it comes to work on a small and mini projects. Initially I bought this low-budget tool from Amazon 2 years back and it did serve my purpose. Its ergonomic design is too beautiful to work with it on any project. But there is a small drawback. The tool was weak and on load it got stuck sometimes. Branded Dremel is too powerful and is costly, and hence I thought to build something of my own. This is not a tutorial but a clip on how I managed to get rid of the issues and made my own device. There are many tutorials on YouTube related to this, however most of them are not perfect to work with in the real world. As usual, I used PVC pipe for making the body. I used the RS775 motor here because it's the most powerful one as compared to the other small motors available in the market. I used the push on off switch, screws, 5mm chuck and a power adapter. The RS775 motor can be operated on any voltage in between DC 12V to 24V. More is the voltage, you get more RPM and power from the motor. It is recommended not to use a power supply lower than that of 12V 2A. As mentioned earlier, most of the videos that I have seen on YouTube related to this topic are not ideal for the real world. And the reason is most of them uses a drill chuck of 10mm via connector with RS775 motor, which is absolutely a bad idea. These chucks are heavy for RS775 and draws a quite good amount of power as a load to the motor. Second, the alignment of the device doesn't remain stable with the connector and it begins to shake. It is really difficult when one needs to drill something. I know these chucks are way better than this one, but still it's heavy for the RS775 motor. I have also noticed most of the people are big fan of super glue. They made their tool in such a way that it's a real trouble in case you need to repair them. I avoided using any super glue here. I have designed it in such a way that it can be easily mended in case of any issues and components can be replaced. As expected, it is really powerful and is performing well for me.